Hello.
With your phone out, gotta hit them angles. With your phone out, snapping like you Fable, and you showing off.
Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, because everyone is welcome. Today's video is going to be very random. I don't know what I'm doing, or nor. One of them. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about. I don't even know where my stuff is that I'm using. My mind is everywhere, okay? My mind is literally everywhere. BRB. Oh. That was very close. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about that. Oh wow. My makeup is, if y'all saw the way my desk thing was set up, like, you'd be like, wow, like you're a mess. And I am. I'm a mess, but like this is how I'm feeling on the inside. Messy, very clustered. But I'm fine. Anyways, so I want to film. No, lies. I want to do a like purple pink eyeshadow look. Like I haven't done one in a long time. I feel like I use too many neutral colors. Like I have a video coming out, like, and I use this is a little sneak peek. Like I used purple glitter, but like everything else was so neutral, and I was like, girl, like have some fun, like, you know. And I'm about to film another video after this, you know. So stay tuned for that one. A little back to school haul. Stay tuned. It's a little late, but it's okay, because like it's never late to buy clothes, because like it's just never late. It's just never late. It just isn't. So yeah. And I just want to do something different and fun, one that I can take pictures in and, you know, be cute. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna, I don't know. You're gonna see. You're actually gonna see, like, what I'm gonna do. So, I mean, just, like, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. And when I come back, I'm gonna be, like, a whole different person. You feel me? So, look. Look at me now. And then, yes, Alexa, play Kodak Black.
Shuffling songs by Kodak Black on Amazon Music.
So they just want to hate us.
Hello, I'm back. And I'm better, obviously, because the eyebrows are done. They are sisters. They're not twins. They're actually distant cousins. But it's fine because I don't... Whatever, they're filled in. So I'm going to be moving on to my eyes. For my eyes, we're mainly just basically like only like going to be using the Take Me Back. We're going back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. Like, she's beautiful. Like, she's actually cuter than me, so it's sad, but whatever. I take this BH Cosmetics fluffy brush, and I'm gonna start with the pinks. I don't know. So I'm gonna go in with like this, like, I'm gonna mix these two pinks because they seem pretty. So that's what I'm gonna do. And that's gonna go here. It's like my transition-ish, but it's pink.
Project baby, y'all was skipping in the hallway. I was skipping school. On my P's and Q's. On them jiggles, call me Jigaboo. Bleeding concrete. Sorry, boo.
I'll lie to you, but don't you lie to me. His little Kodak, the finesse kid. Well, who hot as me? Told the doctor I'm a healthy kid. I smoke broccoli. Okay, so now that that's done, it's just basically blended out, and it looks like it's really all over, but it's whatever. We're gonna go into like the purples. So for the first purple, I'm gonna take this one, and that's kind of gonna go just like in my crease. Yeah, my crease. Sniper gang Kodak, cause I got it by myself. Okay, so what I also did, I took this deeper purple and I kind of focused that in my crease and then also on my lid. So I know I look kind of scary right now, but it's gonna look cute. Because look, I'm gonna take this pink and I'm gonna kind of mix it with this orange, and I'm gonna kind of blend that like above everything to kind of just make it look more like kind of like light to dark, you know? So I want to try something different. I kind of want to try to do like a dark purple glitter liner. I like the way this looks and I want to keep it all matte. Like I feel like it looks like a really like sunsetty, like kind of like just, you know, orange pink to purple, and I really like that a lot. Just gonna make sure you're blended out to the gods and you know you're good. You just kill a matte look, but I want to take this to the next level and try it out, and if it fails then like I'm a fail, and it most likely will. I don't know, but you're gonna see. So let's just see. So I'm gonna just basically be using this brush to apply the glitter, the glitter glue, and then the glitter on top. With the glitter glue I'm gonna basically, you know, create the shape of like my winged liner. So we'll see, guys, so stay tuned. That girl, I just created a look. Like wait, like hold on, this is not like wait. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm shook at what the heck I did. Like, I literally just made a glitter liner. Like, I'm in love with this look. Like, I'm, like, truthfully, honestly, truly, I'm shook. So, I put my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer under my eyes because I have dark circles. You know, your girl don't be sleeping, school. Everything is stressful, you know. It's the second day of September and I have tests already coming up and school started the 24th, 23rd. So I'm trying to understand, but it's okay. So I'm gonna be moving on to foundation, and for foundation I want to use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation if I can find it, because I can't find her right now. She wants to hide, she likes to hide from me. Oh wait, JK, it's right here. She's doing just fine. But before that, oh wow, she fell. Never mind, she's actually crying. But before I do that, I like to just apply my Master Strobing Stick from Maybelline, of course. And I just put it in the places where I would highlight. Now, truthfully, does this help me look more glowy? I don't know. I'm trying it out for like the 100th time. I don't know, but like I'm gonna just assume that it does, you know? I'm just gonna assume that it gives me the glow from within, and when I put on my foundation I look dewy. But I don't want to be dewy. I can look dewy, but I don't want to be dewy, you know, like, because oils and yeah, I don't know what I want. I'm a very indecisive person. So I'm gonna take my Maybelline Matte and Poreless, because we gotta be matte, we want to be matte. Oh wow, that's a cute glow. Like, hi. But in shade 322, a warm honey. We warm out your honey. I'm sorry. And I'm gonna apply that all over my face. Have fun watching me tap my face. Very harsh, very yeah. Have fun. Oh man, I'm gonna get my feelings.
I guess this off the heart.
Let's try to really give me my feelings.
I'm talking about. Tell you the truth, with her, cause now it wouldn't be the same. Money with the lane. He was in my DM trying to explain. You my ex, girl, so
one thing about love, it don't ever die.
You my first love.
That was very off key. Just don't mind it. Really quickly and randomly, I know I look weird now. I put my hair back. Look, can we put her to the... Oh my gosh, we can put it to the... She can be on the side. No, she looks crusty. I'm just gonna apply my Tarte mascara a little bit to my lashes. Next, I'm moving on to concealer. So I'm gonna mix 2 concealers, and that's going to be my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind that I'm almost running out of. Like, come on, sis. In medium. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer.
You see, it's crazy, dog, cause
2 depressing Kodak Black songs in a row.
I thought I ain't even.
What is Alexa trying to tell me? Like, I want to know what she's trying to tell me. I don't want to live if I can't be with you, shawty. I don't want to live if I ain't breathing you, shawty. I don't want to dream if I can sleep with you. I ain't seeing you. With you. You. If I can with you. I used to do it like this. Like, I don't know who I am. Am I even from here? Like, if I do that? Like, no. So next I'm going to contour, and I'm using this Colourpop bronzer. It doesn't say a name. Don't know why. She's weird. It's fine. Next we're going to go in with blush, and for blush I'm going to take my cute little Too Faced Love Flush blush and Baby Love. Again, I don't know why the 16 hours. I don't know who's wearing blush for 16 hours, but if you are, sis, this is the blush for you. So now I'm going to set my face, and to do that I'm using this rose water. That was way too much. Now we're highlighting, and we're using this e.l.f. Baked highlighter and blush duo in rose gold as per usual. And I'm going to take a big fluffy brush that doesn't really have any product on it. I'm just going to blend out the highlight just so that it's not too harsh. I notice in my videos I'll see it more on the side because that's where like my window is and everything, so it's just a little more apparent on this side of my videos, but that's fine. I'm gonna set again just a little bit, like 3 times. I really needed to go in for like a 10th spritz, but it's fine. We're gonna put on some lashes, so I'm gonna use these. These are like my favorite lashes. They're from AliExpress. Super cute, super cheap, love them. And yeah, I'll be right back as I figure out what each one goes on, and probably get it wrong like 10 times, and I'll be back with the beautiful lashes. Okay guys, so the lashes are on, and I put some bottom mascara on, and I think we look pretty poppin' so far. I don't think I want to put a matte lip. We're gonna see how it looks with just a lip gloss, so I'm gonna take this NYX lip gloss, butter gloss, my bad, butter gloss in Fortune Cookie, and I'm just gonna apply that to my lips because, you know, I think this is a wrap. This is so cute. Look, I'm gonna go fix my hair because look, I did not feel like putting on the wig correctly, so I'm just going to untie my hair, and I'm going to be back to show you this poppin' look. I'm gonna spritz my face like 11 more times with rose water. So that is the end of this little get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed. This look is like one of my favorites that I've created. I really kind of outdid myself with the liner. That was a literal lot. This whole thing was a last minute thing. I knew the color scheme I wanted, but the the way it came out, and the liner was such a last minute thing, and I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was an interesting and fun / funny kind of laid back video for you guys, because honestly on my channel I want to start, I'm not saying I'm not being myself, but I'm honestly a very humorous person. I love to laugh. I just love to make jokes. I love to just be silly, and I feel like I've been a little too serious with YouTube. Not too serious, but like, you know, and I just want to bring my personality out a bit more than it already is, so I'm gonna try to start doing that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like this video and to leave a comment down below what you think of this look. You know, is it shit popping or no? Like, if you tell me no, you're hating, because I'm sorry, like, I'm Robin. Well, this look is popping, I should say. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your family, you know, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.